Hey, I have a super easy rollerball called Refresh. Sometimes when we get hot or we don't feel so fresh smelling anymore, or maybe you have teens or who knows, I'm gonna make this easy rollerball. I'll show you how. So you can roll it on and be refreshed. So I'm gonna use lemongrass and tea tree, both very refreshing. Lemongrass is just so bright and happy, and it's strong smell, so it definitely will make you feel refreshed. So I'm gonna put 5 drops of lemongrass, and I'm using just a 5 milliliter roller, and 5 tea tree. There we go. So it's that much, and then I'm gonna fill the rest with the carrier oil, and I like using the little pump because it makes sure it doesn't spill. And then put your top on and roll away to feeling refreshed. I will be keeping this like in my purse. Oh, and I forgot my roller top, but then you just put it on, or handy where you might feel like you just need to even perk up or wake up and be refreshed. So I hope you try this out soon.